make the world's best down-the-hole hammers and bits with one purpose: to make rock disappear. We are Center Rock, globally serving the construction, blast hole, oil and gas, water well, and utility industries. Our engineering team has over 40 patents, and we have the widest range of DTH products. Our 3 DTH hammer lines are designed to meet all application requirements and produce a wide variety of hole sizes. Our LP canister drill was utilized for the Chilean mine rescue and has been designed for use in all rock drilling markets. And in 2021, we shipped the largest canister drill in the world. Rotolock's Overburden Drilling System for casing advancement is available in all sizes needed by today's drilling contractor. Our mobile workstation and other rock drilling accessories afford you maximum support in the field. Center Rock prides itself on being very responsive and nimble when it comes to custom orders. We have the best quality and selection of products, but what separates us from the competition is our highly experienced team of product support and service technicians who are not only mechanics, but drillers. We are hammer and bit experts. That is all we do. And there are very few products that we cannot manufacture in our own facilities, giving us total control over quality to ensure that all products meet ISO 9001:2015 standards. So if you need to make rock disappear, there's only one call to make. Call Center Rock.